applaud for the way they have taken to the Sunbeam magic to the various cities of Eastern UP. They are all today recognized as great edifices for learning in their own rights. I send my salutation to the yeoman work being done by my colleagues in the other Sunbeam knowledge partner, namely Sunbeam Gazipur. I also want to thank Dr. Deepak Madhok, CMD of Sunbeam Group of Educational Institutions and Sunbeam Edisop Limited, and Dr. Bharti Madhok, Director of Sunbeam Group of Educational Institutions. I would like to start with the quoting of Swami Vivekananda. We want that education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, the intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on his own feet. Undoubtedly, students of Sunbeam are progressing on this course. Here at Sunbeam Dildar Nagar, we have optimized the schooling. It is my pleasure to present the year 2019 Sunbeam School Dildar Nagar first annual report to the school and wider community, with the noting that it makes extremely gratifying reading testimony for everyone with an interest in our school. यहाँ हम संगीन दिलदार नगर में शिक्षा को अनुकूलित रूप से प्रस्तुत करते हैं। मैं हर्षोल्लास के साथ संगीन स्कूल दिलदार नगर का प्रथम वार्षिक विवरण आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करना चाहता हूँ। प्रेजेंटिंग संगीन दिलदार नगर। शिक्षण के इस हाईटेक एरा में हमारे चेयरमैन श्री के.पी. सिंह जी का यही उद्देश्य है कि गाजीपुर जिले में सही शिक्षा सुचारू रूप से समाज को दें, जिसका उन्होंने बखूबी प्रमाण गाजीपुर एवं दिलदार नगर में बच्चों के लिए सहायता देकर प्रमाणित किया है। हम गर्व से कह सकते हैं कि 15 शिक्षक, 5 एडमिन, 35 सहयोगी कर्मी एवं 220 छात्र छात्राओं के साथ दिलदार नगर संबीम अपने उद्देश्य की ओर निरंतर आगे बढ़ रहा है। Let's begin. Bhumi Pujan was done on 6th May 2018 to start the construction. Inauguration was done by Dr. Deepak Madhok sir on 21st January 2019. We began our journey with the whole team on 9th April 2019. Our Sunbeam Dignity Deputy Director, Sunbeam Group of Educational Institution, Mrs. Amrita Burman ma'am visited our branch first time on 10 July 2019 and interacted with students and parents. We organized various competitions in the school like geography quiz, non-formal cooking competition, self-introduction and storytelling, book dissemination, inter-house general quiz, inter-class patriotic elocutions and inter-house patriotic elocutions, inter-class environment quiz, inter-class rhyme competitions, coloring competition. In these various competitions, many students performed very well. Their confidence level raised and they became more confident. As per Sunbeam precept, we allotted various options for our students in LDA like skating, karate, craft, carom, badminton, cricket, football, and on Children's Day, we went for a school visit at Lathia, Jamania, and all the students enjoyed a lot. Summer camp with special attractions as Mother's Day celebration, clay pottery, fun mela, rain dance, and last but not least, adventure camp were organized in school premises. Once in 2 months, we have birthday celebration activity in junior wing, which is favorite of our younger ones. Etc. were our favorite activities held in school campus. The school has made parenting extremely easy for us with parenting sessions and school cinema movies. मैं समस्त अभिभावकगण का पूरे दिल के साथ धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि उन्हीं के सहयोग, सुझाव एवं विश्वास के साथ हम अपनी कामयाबी की तरफ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. We have Snap Homework app for sending digitally the homework and assignment for the students. We also started WhatsApp platform for comfortable communication, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Sanmin Dildar Nagar mobile application, GPS in school transport, etc. are available as per parents' demand. I firmly believe that a teacher presents the past, reveals the present, and creates the future. Sanmin Dildar Nagar is blessed to have teachers who are an institution in themselves with their teaching acumen and content expertise. At Sanmin Dildar Nagar, all teachers are co-learners who are constantly finding ways and means to enhance the teaching learning process, and the school facilitates this by organizing various learning opportunities. Teachers were trained in Varanasi for 4 days in March and 3 days in June. एजुकेशन वर्ल्ड के 2019 के पुरस्कारों में सनबीम ब्रांड को 8वां स्थान प्राप्त हुआ है, जिसमें देश भर के लगभग सभी प्रतिष्ठित शिक्षण संस्थानों ने भाग लिया था। Heartfelt gratitude to Sunbeam dignitaries on behalf of all my colleagues for facilitating our growth in all spheres of human excellence. हमें बहुत खुशी है यह बताते हुए कि एजुकेशन वर्ल्ड रैंकिंग 2019 में गाजीपुर जिले में सनबीम गाजीपुर को प्रथम स्थान प्राप्त हुआ था। We should seek the knowledge and not the results, and make journey interesting and imaginative. The activities conducted in our school have helped the students to inculcate human, social, and cultural values, which help them to become culturally conscious and socially responsible, and a good citizen. The QC and RD team of Sunbeam Varanasi guides and directs us. It's really so helpful. Future plan. Coming week, we are going to inaugurate computer lab, computer lab, and library, which we promised to parents. Let me focus on our future planning for the coming session 2020-21. Certainly, we are going to start class 9 in the coming session. We are also going to build football ground, basketball court, badminton court, swing, and swimming pool for the students. Before I wrap up and conclude my report, I would extend my special gratitude to one and all who listened my words patiently. Last but not least, I would like to thank all the admins, teaching staff, supporting staff, drivers, conductors, and members of the Students' Council for their hard work with the team to make this show a grand success. With this thought, I close the annual report. Kindly acknowledge my thanks for coming in a large number to our function. We show your love and affection for this school. Thank you very much. Keep the trust, keep faith. आपका विश्वास ही हमारे लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत है। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।
हर गली अच्छी लगी, हर एक घर अच्छा लगा, आप जो आए शहर में तो शहर भर अच्छा लगा। हर तरह की बेसरो सामानियों के बावजूद, हर तरह की बेसरो सामानियों के बावजूद आप आए तो मुझको अपना घर अच्छा लगा, आप आए तो मुझको अपना घर अच्छा लगा।
How elated we are in this beautiful evening. We cannot just express it in a few words.
So please allow us to express ourselves with a foot tapping, trolley, welcome dance. Please give a huge round of applause to the team Hardik Abhinandan for welcome dance.
गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम। देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम। देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम। देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम। विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक, विघ्न विनाशक जन सुखदायक मंगलम गणेशाय। देवा हो देवा गणपति देवा मंगलम गणेशम् देवा गणपति देवा मङ्गलं गणेशम् मम गम 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 गसा दम 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 ग नि रा नि रा
our honorable chief guest. So I would like to request our very own, the most efficient and dynamic Director Mr. Naveen Kumar Singh sir to please come forward and welcome our chief guest and other distinguished guests. So please.
I would like to welcome Mr. Harsh Madhok, Director DHK Edu sir, for being with us today evening. Sir, you have traveled, took the pain, and you are here. We are very much obliged. And on behalf of whole Dildar Nagar, I would like to welcome you. Not only Sunbeam Dildar Nagar, but whole Dildar Nagar family. Next, I would like to welcome my guest of honor, Mr. Ashish Rai, COO, Sunbeam Board. उसके बाद मैं तमाम सम्मानित लोग जो यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, जिन्होंने समय निकाला, आदरणीय मन्नू सिंह जी, प्रतिनिधि पूर्व मंत्री ओम प्रकाश जी, विवेक सिंह सम्मी जी, समाज सेवी, रणजीत सिंह जी, पूर्व प्रधान खजूरी, मोहित श्रीवास्तव जी, डायरेक्टर माउंट लिटरा जी स्कूल अविनाश राय जी, वाइस चेयरमैन माउंट लिटरा जी स्कूल, और हमारी गाजीपुर की प्रिंसिपल संगीन गाजीपुर की प्रिंसिपल संध्या सिंह जी का भी मैं यहाँ स्वागत करता हूँ। हालांकि उनका अपना विद्यालय है, लेकिन फिर भी तौकीर खान जी समाज सेवी, आपका भी बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन है। प्रेस के जो हमारे मित्र हैं, विशेष रूप से मैं उनको धन्यवाद देता हूँ। पुलिस के लोग, और सबसे ज़्यादा धन्यवाद के पात्र हमारे अभिभावक। पहली साल स्कूल खुला, आपने जो भरोसा दिखाया हम पे, वो अपने आप में काबिल तारीफ है, और निश्चित रूप से हम आपके भरोसे पे खरे उतरेंगे। एकदम आप निश्चिंत रहिए, हर वो चीज़ जो किसी भी मेट्रो में आपके बच्चे को मिलती है वो यहाँ मिलेगी, आपको कहीं नहीं जाना होगा इसके बाद। बिकॉज our intentions are very clear and it's going on right direction. You trust us and you leave your kids on us. सबसे ज़्यादा अभी तो पहला साल था, नया नया स्कूल खुला, और कुछ लोगों को तो लग भी नहीं रहा था कि ये शुरू हो जाएगा, लेकिन आपका हौसला और आपने जो भरोसा दिया हम लोगों को, स्कूल शुरू भी हो गया और ठीक से चल भी रहा। तमाम लोगों का मैं हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूँ जिन्होंने अपने समय में से समय निकाला। और ये देखिए, आप ही के बच्चे हैं, कुछ लोगों को कल्पना भी नहीं रही होगी कि दे विल परफॉर्म लाइक दिस ऑन द स्टेज। कितना परिवर्तन आया 4-6 महीने में। ये बच्चे पूरी तरह से ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दिए जाएंगे, आप भरोसा रखिए। अंत में समस्त उपस्थित लोगों का, अगर किसी को मैं भूल गया हूँ तो उससे क्षमा प्रार्थी हूँ। सबका हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूँ संजीव स्कूल बिरला नगर की तरफ से। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to request our director, Mr. Praveen Kumar Singh, sir, to please come forward and felicitate our distinguished guests, and their names are Mr. Manu Singh, Pratinidhi Bhutpurv Mantri Om Prakash Singh, Mr. Mohit Srivastav, Director, Mr. Avinash Rai, Vice Chairman, Ghazipur, Vivek Singh Shammi, Samaj Sevi,
Mahasbeen, whom are we going to call now?
Whom you think we should call now?
I think we should do something funky now.
Oh, you mean you wanna have some fun?
Oh yes, of course.
So let's call upon our UKG students with a tickling dance performance called Glittering Cups. So please put your hands together for Glittering Cups!